Today I'm taking you on a special tour of one of the garden rooms with club level access at Disney's BoardWalk Inn, one of the most charming resorts at Walt Disney World. Staying in a garden room also means you get exclusive club level access. This gives you entry to the club lounge, where you can enjoy complimentary snacks, beverages, and even some delicious hors d'oeuvres throughout the day. It's a wonderful perk that adds a touch of luxury and convenience to your stay, making it even more magical. As you step inside, you'll notice the spacious and bright living area. The room is designed with elegant decor, perfectly capturing the charm of Disney's BoardWalk Inn. Over here we have a lovely seating area with plush sofa and chairs, perfect for relaxing after a fun day in the parks. The room also features a small kitchenette with coffee maker, mini fridge, and microwave, offering a bit of convenience for your morning coffee or late night snack. You'll have everything you need for a comfortable stay, and there's also a half bath down here. Moving on to the bedroom area, you'll find a luxurious king-size bed with crisp linens and plenty of fluffy pillows. The bed is framed by two bedside tables, each with its own lamp, perfect for late-night reading or relaxing before bed. And take a look at this beautiful Disney-themed artwork. Each room is adorned with subtle touches that remind you of where you are without overwhelming the serene and peaceful ambiance. And I love these charging ports right by the bed. Now let's check out the bathroom. It's incredibly spacious with a dual vanity, perfect for couples who need a little extra room. Also, who doesn't love a soaking tub after a long day in the theme parks? You'll also find a separate water closet and a walk-in shower complete with Disney bath amenities that everybody loves. As you come back to the balcony and stairs, you get another great view of this incredible space. And let's not forget one of the best parts, the private patio just outside your door. Interested in booking this room for your next Walt Disney World vacation? Send me a message today.